What's up guys, Nick here. Today we are going to be unboxing this wonderful box. It's the DJI Ronin-S. I've been waiting so long for this package. It's been on pre-order forever. Then it was finally available. I bought it. Now it's been sitting in this box in my office for about 3 weeks. I've been working really hard on finishing that Seattle video. If you haven't seen it, it's gonna be right there. And let's unbox this thing. Alright, now that the unboxing is done, let's put this thing together. Now keep in mind, I have zero experience with any stabilizers whatsoever, but I have been watching a few videos, which you always should do before you buy any product. So instead of showing you how to put this together, I'm going to show you how long it takes me, with zero experience, to put it together. Start the clock. Finally pretty balanced, and a good way to test that is to point the camera in any direction and it should stay still. Now the last thing I need to do is the I believe it's the pan axis. I always want to call it the tilt axis, because when you tilt the gimbal it should not do that. Alright, that is balanced. It took just over 17 minutes. It's time to turn it on. Alright. I'm excited. Alright, let's test this thing out. I'll be back. To truly put the DJI Ronin-S to the test, my wife and I headed to St. John's Bridge in Portland, Oregon. I've seen many tests on this gimbal already, but I specifically chose this location because of its hills and stairs. This first shot, walking downhill, I was walking a little bit too heavy and noticed I needed a little bit of post-stabilization, but it was a very minimal amount. Then, with all my might, I tried to hold the camera as close as I can to my body and as still as I could to get the most stable shot handheld. Even with stabilization in post, this footage is absolute trash. For these next shots, I flipped the gimbal upside down and found that the footage already looked stable enough and didn't add any stabilization in post. And then again, I tried these shots handheld, but I did however notice that with post-stabilization, it actually didn't look too bad when it was in 24 frames per second. However, it doesn't come close to the footage shot on the gimbal. Alright guys, I've reviewed all of the footage and I am completely amazed. Like, my mind is blown. This thing is so easy to use right off the bat. I already got shots I could have never even dreamed of getting in the past without this stabilizer. It's definitely a game changer. I will always have it with me. My only complaint with this thing is that it's just a little bit heavy. I can see myself definitely with just that hour, my arms were getting a little tired. An 8-hour day of filming would be a struggle. But I'll still take it with me because this thing's a beast. I can't wait to use this more. I'm going to be using this in all of my films from now on. and I can't wait to see how it elevates my game. If you're in the market for a new stabilizer, I 120 billion% recommend the DJI Ronin-S. And I am in no way sponsored, by the way. I sounded really sponsored there, huh? Yeah, DJI, they send me these Ronins all the time, and sponsor me, bro. I just get to try them out daily. If you found this review helpful at all, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And don't forget to share it. Thanks, guys.